Let's talk about the cars people actually buy. Not just the wild hypercars or off-roaders you see in glossy magazines or viral videos, but the practical, everyday vehicles that keep families moving and businesses running. These are the cars that fill up your local dealership lots, the ones you see on every street corner, and the ones that quietly shape the automotive landscape. While the headlines might focus on futuristic concepts, it's these reliable models that are making the real impact, especially as the festive season kicks off and buyers look for deals. Right now, as we close out 2025, Toyota is making serious waves in the industry. The company's presence is felt everywhere, from bustling city centers to quiet suburban streets, and their latest sales numbers are turning heads. Their October numbers just dropped, and it's a story of global ups and downs. Some markets are surging ahead, while others are facing new challenges, painting a complex picture of the world's car-buying mood. The car world is in flux. Everyone's talking electric, but Toyota's results show a more nuanced reality. While EVs are grabbing headlines, hybrids and even traditional gasoline cars are still in high demand in many places. Some regions are all in on EVs, investing heavily in charging infrastructure and incentives, while others are sticking with what works, reliable hybrids and efficient gasoline engines. Toyota is playing both sides, adapting its lineup to fit the unique needs of each market. This isn't just about sales. It's about understanding what drivers want, country by country. Preferences can shift dramatically from one region to another, and Toyota's strategy is all about flexibility and listening to its customers. The October report is a snapshot of the world's mood, from American families searching for their next SUV to the shifting winds in China and Japan, where trends can change overnight and competition is fierce. For Toyota, the engine is running sweetly, especially in one massive market where demand is booming and production lines are working overtime to keep up. So buckle up. We're taking a global tour through Toyota's sales charts, exploring the stories behind the numbers, and discovering what's really driving the world's biggest car maker as it navigates a rapidly changing industry. Are hybrids a stroke of genius, or just lucky timing in a world that can't quite make up its mind? Let's dive in and find out what's fueling Toyota's roaring start to the festive season. Let's break down the numbers, quickly. In October, Toyota built nearly 927,000 cars, up almost 4% from last year. That's 5 straight months of growth, showing their factories are firing on all cylinders. They sold just over 922,000 vehicles worldwide, a 2% increase. That may sound small, but it's tens of thousands of extra cars. The real story? Where those cars are selling. One country is driving the surge, while others are cooling off. This isn't a simple success story. It's a tale of strategy and shifting consumer tastes. Toyota's formula: give people what they want, where they want it. And right now, they've nailed it in the United States. Let's see how.
Welcome to the U.S., where Toyota's October went from good to spectacular. In a market that's always shifting, Toyota managed to capture the spotlight in a big way. Sales jumped nearly 12%, with 208,000 cars sold in just 1 month. That's a huge leap, especially in a year when many automakers are struggling to keep up. That's 22,000 more than last October. Proof Americans are choosing Toyota in droves. The secret? Hybrids. These vehicles are flying off the lots, and it's not just a fluke. Not muscle cars or giant trucks, but efficient, practical hybrids like the Prius and RAV4 hybrid. These models are redefining what Americans want in a car: reliability, efficiency, and value. Demand is so strong, it's almost a frenzy. Dealerships are seeing lines of customers eager to get their hands on a hybrid, sometimes waiting weeks for delivery. Americans want to save on fuel without the hassle of charging. For busy families and commuters, hybrids offer a simple solution: better mileage, fewer stops at the pump, and no need to hunt for a charging station.
While rivals bet big on full EVs, pouring billions into electric-only models and charging networks, Toyota doubled down on hybrids, and it's paying off. Their factories are running at full tilt to keep up with demand, and showrooms are packed. Many buyers aren't ready for full electric. Charging worries, costs, and range anxiety are real. For many, the infrastructure just isn't there yet, and the price tag can be intimidating. Hybrids sidestep all that. Just fill up and go, but use less fuel. It's a familiar experience, but with real savings at the pump and a smaller carbon footprint. This isn't a fad, it's a trend. More Americans are making the switch every month and the numbers keep climbing. Cost-conscious Americans see hybrids as the perfect middle ground. They get the benefits of electrification without the compromises, making hybrids a smart, practical choice. And with Toyota's wide hybrid lineup, they're perfectly positioned to meet demand. From compact sedans to roomy SUVs, there's a hybrid for nearly every lifestyle. The hybrid surge is real, and Toyota's leading the charge. As the market evolves, Toyota's bet on hybrids is looking smarter than ever.
Why are hybrids booming? The answer is simple. They just make sense for so many people. In a world where everyone is looking to save money and make smarter choices, hybrids stand out as the practical option.
For families, hybrids offer a winning combination. They're reliable, safe, and significantly cheaper to run than traditional petrol cars. Whether it's the daily school run, weekend sports, or a long road trip, hybrids deliver peace of mind and savings at the pump. Electric cars sound great in theory, but the reality is that high upfront prices and the hassle of finding charging stations put a lot of people off. Not everyone can afford to make the switch or wants to change their routine.
Walk into a Toyota showroom, and you'll see the hybrid RAV4 sitting right next to the regular one. They look almost identical, but the hybrid quietly saves you money every week, thanks to its impressive fuel efficiency. There's no need to plug in, no new habits to learn. Just hop in and enjoy better mileage, fewer stops at the gas station, and lower running costs.
That's why hybrids are the smart money's choice. They offer a practical, affordable way to drive greener without the stress or expense of going fully electric. Full EVs are definitely the future, but for now, they come with compromises, like range anxiety, charging infrastructure, and higher costs. Hybrids bridge the gap perfectly. You get better fuel economy, no worries about running out of charge, and the freedom to drive anywhere, anytime. For commuters, apartment dwellers without home charging, or anyone wary of EV costs, hybrids are the answer. They fit seamlessly into busy lives. Toyota's decades of refining hybrid technology are paying off, delivering cars that are more efficient, more reliable, and more affordable than ever. Now, almost every popular Toyota model comes as a hybrid, giving buyers more choices than ever before. Buyers don't have to compromise. They can pick the car they want, with hybrid savings and technology built right in. That's why millions of Americans are making the switch to hybrids, choosing smarter, cleaner, and more affordable driving for today and tomorrow. Now let's head to Toyota's home turf, Japan.
You'd expect a home run, but October sales actually fell 4.2%. That's fewer cars sold than in the U.S. A surprising twist. The factories are busy, but buyers are holding back.
Japan's market is unique, dominated by tiny K cars, where Toyota isn't as strong. Economic caution and timing of new models also play a role.
Still, year-to-date, Toyota's sales in Japan are up 4.5%, so this October dip might just be a blip. Even at home, success isn't guaranteed.
Next stop, China, the world's biggest car market. For Toyota, October brought a 6.6% sales drop and a 6.4% production cut.
The reason? Government subsidies ended and buyers got cautious. Local brands like BYD and NIO are dominating with affordable high-tech EVs.
Toyota's hybrid strength doesn't have the same pull here. China's all about pure electrics and local brands are leading.
Toyota faces fierce competition and must adapt fast.
The message is clear. In China, you have to be exceptional and all in on EVs. This is a warning shot for all global car makers. The market's moving fast and Toyota needs to keep up. Let's zoom out. How's Toyota doing in 2025 overall? They've sold 8.7 million vehicles worldwide from January to October, a 4.5% jump. That's like selling a car to every person in Switzerland.
Despite bumps in Japan and China, Toyota's global strategy is working. U.S. success is offsetting other markets, proving the value of a diverse lineup.
It's a testament to Toyota's resilience after years of supply chain chaos.
They're building the cars people want when others can't. With a strong start to the final quarter, Toyota's on track for a banner year. The world still trusts Toyota, familiar, reliable, and ready for what's next.
Selling cars is only half the battle. You have to build them too. In the U.S., Toyota ramped up production by 26% in October to meet soaring demand. That means more hybrids on dealer lots, less waiting for buyers.
Building cars where you sell them is smart. Faster delivery, lower costs, happier customers.
In China, with sales down, Toyota slowed production. No point building cars that won't sell.
This flexibility is Toyota's secret weapon. They adjust production to match demand, avoiding costly surpluses. It's a disciplined, responsive approach.
Think of it as turning the taps. More cars for America, fewer for China, steady for Japan.
This logistical dance keeps Toyota efficient and profitable. It's a global balancing act, and Toyota's one of the best at it. That's how you stay ahead in a fast-changing world. Build smart, sell smart.
So what's next for Toyota and the car industry? The October numbers show the future isn't just about EVs, it's about flexibility.
Toyota's hybrid focus, once seen as old-fashioned, is now a masterstroke in the U.S. Hybrids will keep growing as long as EV hurdles remain.
But China's EV surge is a wake-up call. Toyota must accelerate its electric game there.
For buyers, this means more choice and better cars. Toyota's hybrid success will push rivals to up their game too.
Meanwhile, Chinese EV makers are forcing global giants to innovate faster.
Toyota's October is a lesson in knowing your customer. Hybrids for America, EVs for China. The road ahead is challenging, but Toyota's engineering and manufacturing muscle give it a real shot. This journey is just getting started.